Good evening, guys. Here we go with another video. By the way, I want to apologize to everyone in advance if any of my videos come out screwy. I am not the best at holding my phone correctly, so I get in the video or whatever I'm showing gets in the video or doing what gets in the video. I want to apologize to everyone in advance for that. I am working on how to hold my phone correctly so I get in the video or whatever I'm showing in the video gets in the video or whatever I'm doing gets in the video. Anyway, in this video, you guys, for all you guys who like small engines, you're going to like this video because I'm going to do a cold start of my Stihl FS46 Weed Whacker. All right. So, let's take her outside. Now, for those who don't know, I am completely blind, but I enjoy the sound of engines. Whether it's a car engine or as long as it's a gasoline engine, I like it. So yeah, I like the sound of engines. It's a beautiful night here in Connecticut tonight. Anyways, so obviously I don't weed whack anything, but I like to start it up and run it. Same thing with my leaf blowers. I have two leaf blowers. I have a Steele BG55 handheld leaf blower, and I also have a Echo leaf blower that I bought right before my birthday, earlier this year. It's actually Echo's newer blowers. They came out with it this year, and it's a really good blower. And I'll do a cold start of that too in another video. All right, so I'm going to put the phone down. First thing we're going to do is primer. I always do 10 primes. All right, she's on choke. Switch is on. Alrighty. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.
Speech on. Take picture. Stop recording.